Here we show how to install a pit mount antenna for a residential water meter. Begin by sliding the upper antenna through the port of the meter's pit lid and tighten the plastic nut to secure it to the lid. For the sake of this video, we're using cardboard in place of a meter pit lid. Next, connect the antenna by screwing the cable connectors together by hand. Finally, bring the two parts of the waterproof housing to each other and screw them together. The antenna has now been connected properly and is ready for transmission.